Last time I was here, the Claremont Hotel was under construction. I'm very happy they didn't turn it into a fucking public parking space or something, a horrible fucking building after being bulldozed. It was about 2 years ago, the last time I was here. And I'm very happy they turned it into a beautiful hotel. Inside is amazing. And the outside too, of course. Beginning with that kind of unique sign up there, and the one right above the door. They left the original signs. They were the same. And I was having the same beer last time I was here. So I asked about the price of the rooms, and some of them were at $170 US a night. So it's not a cheap hotel, but then again, it's not a shit hotel. Right underneath, on the basement, there's a nice bar. And I remember the first time I came here, there was a shit, really shit bad bar. Now it's turned into something nice. Al Capone used to stay here back in the day. And now you can stay there too.